Ready to unlock the power of Tableau on Linux and analyze your data like never before. First, let's choose our installation path. Tableau Desktop isn't directly available for Linux, but we can make it work. We'll be focusing on using Tableau Server, which is designed for Linux. However, if you're committed to Tableau Desktop, you'll have to find a workaround installation method, which is beyond this video's scope. For server installation, the process begins with downloading the appropriate installation package from the Tableau website for your Linux distribution. This might be a RPM file for Red Hat-based systems or a DEB file for Debian, Ubuntu. Next, open the Tableau Server download webpage on the Tableau website. Select Tableau Server, then fill out the required fields to meet its specific requirements. After that, choose the appropriate package for your Linux distribution and begin downloading it into your system's download directory. Once the download is complete, open your terminal, navigate to the directory where the download file is located, often the downloads folder. Then, we'll use your system's package manager to install Tableau Server. For example, this might be yum install or apt-get install, followed by the package file name. Now we need to configure Tableau Server. After it is installed, you can start the server service and access its configuration page through a web browser, usually on port 80 or 8850. This page will guide you through the initial setup, including creating an administrator account, specifying server settings, and choosing where data is installed. With your server configured, upload your data source by clicking Connect to Data. The most important step is to publish a new workbook from there. Using the online editor, you can start creating your views. You'll drag and drop your data fields to create charts, graphs, and dashboards, just like you do with Tableau Desktop. Remember, the online editor offers almost all the functionalities, including calculations and filters. And that's it. You've successfully installed and begun using Tableau Server in your Linux environment. Explore advanced features, connect to different data sources, and have fun visualizing your data. Happy analyzing.